Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have been gone for quite a bit, but I am back here in a new and improved setup. Let me know if you guys like this, and we're gonna get started. I have an unboxing. Is this giant bag that I can't even fit in the frame. So this bag has been talked about over and over again in many different channels, so I'm not gonna sit here and talk too much about it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This is the giant box that it came in. Had the pretty blue ribbon, but I already got rid of that. So for those of you who don't know, this can actually be flopped down, so you don't have to carry such a huge bag. Like for example, if you were to shop overseas or whatever, you can just pull these little tabs and it stretches the box out like this, and then you can just fold it like this, so it takes up much less room, and you can stick this in a suitcase if you need to or whatever. It just goes down like this. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. This is the giant dust bag that came with. This is the receipt. It was $1,492. So now that you know the price, can you guess the bag? There it is! This is the Louis Vuitton Never Full GM in Damier Azur with the rose ballerine interior. Yep, this bag is absolutely beautiful. It's also so big that you can stick your child in here. Literally. Guys, my daughter is in here and there's still plenty of room. So again, everyone has already talked about this bag, so I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I'm just gonna show it to you cinched in here on the sides because it makes it much smaller and easier to carry. The intent that it was purchased for is as a travel bag, not as a everyday bag. So I think it's the perfect size when you travel with, but this is what it looks like when it's all cinched in here on the side, so it makes it much smaller, easier to carry. And of course it comes with this little envelope. It has also the rose ballerine and the rose ballerine interior. This is great for an everyday little clutch wristlet. I carried it the other day with diapers and wipes and everything, and it fits all in here. So this is what I would consider an everyday. This is definitely like travel. If you want to carry a whole bunch of junk, that's what you need this for. My babies are calling my name, so I have to go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. I promise I will be making new videos every week now. So go ahead and give me some love and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye. You better subscribe to the channel.